Silkosia, Bulgarian, is a nature reserve and Strandzha Nature Park, located in the homonymous mountain, southeastern Bulgaria. Its territory close to the villages Kosti and Balgari. Silkosia is the oldest reserve in the country, declared on July 23, 1931 in order to protect the evergreen bushes unique for Europe. It encompasses part of the Veleka River catchment area with a territory of 389.6 ha or 3.896 square kilometers. The terrain is various. In the lower parts there are predominantly swamp areas with typical Central European flora. The reserve encompasses territory between 100 and 250 m altitude and is thus among the lowest lying nature reserves in the country. The variety of plant species is high and includes 260 vascular plant species on a territory of less than 4 square kilometers. Of them, 3 are endemic and 16 are relict species. There are specimens from different geographical latitudes, which makes it interesting for the scientists. Plant inversion can be observed in the reserve. Usually, the beech trees are located in the higher and cooler areas, while the oak trees occupy the lower parts. In Silkosia it is the other way around. The oak forests are located higher in the mountain. Forests cover 97.9% of the total area of the reserve. The average age of the trees is 120 to 130 years, at places, over 200 years. In the wet valley rare species such as the Strandzha periwinkle, laurel, Caucasian blueberry, common yew can be observed. It is also the only place in Europe where the wild medlar tree can be found. The most common flowers are the Caucasian cowslip and the spring cyclamen, which blossom in February and March. The Silkosia Reserve has rich wildlife. The most common amphibian species include the European green toad, European tree frog, and the agile frog. Typical reptilians in the reserve are the spurth-eyed tortoise, Hermann's tortoise, slowworm, and skeleted pusic. There are also many species of snakes: Caspian whip snake, Aesculapian snake, blotched snake, and Montpellier snake among the others. There are various bird species. The golden oriole, nightingale, Sardinian warbler, whitethroat, common blackbird, Eurasian jay, common chaffinch nest in the reserve, as well as different species of falcons, woodpeckers, and many others. Mammals include the wild cat, beech marten, European pine marten, grey wolf, wild boar, and others.